Hey, fellow designers, we have added two new laptop mockups to Artboard Studio Library. You can customize them in your browser with Artboard Studio, Figma, or Adobe Express. Starting with Artboard Studio app, go to the left side Add Item menu, choose Mockups and Laptop category. Drag and drop the items inside Canvas. They come together with their customization artboards below. Now, close the left sidebar and import your website design image. Then place it inside the customization artboard. Position and scale based on the artboard size, pressing Alt key and duplicating the same image for the other mockup item. And your design's instantly rendered on both laptop mockups. Now let's say you want to crop this mockup scene and only want to show a particular part. For that, create a new artboard and place the mockup inside this new artboard. Position it as you like and click the Export button on the top right. Here, choose your format and resolution and hit Export button to download your image. If you want to export the entire mockup, navigate to the right sidebar Export section. Press the plus icon here and again choose the format and resolution as you like and download. Let's jump to Figma. First of all, open Artboard Mockups plugin from the Actions menu down there. Choose Laptop category, click on the thumbnail and import inside your canvas. Now import your website design image, or of course you can use any frame inside your Figma canvas. Just be sure you are placing your design only assigned frames which comes together with the mockup item. Scale up and position the image. As you see, there is a blank part on top. This is because of the notch of MacBook. You can simply apply a solid black color as background to your frame. Now select the mockup frame and hit the Render Selected Frame button inside the plugin window. And your design already rendered on the laptop screen. Now let's copy the same design for the other mockup. Again, placing the image inside the frame and applying black color to the background and rendering the design. Perfect. Lastly, moving to Adobe Express. On the left toolbar, navigate to the Add-ons menu. Open Artboard Mockups. Switch to Laptop category and click on the thumbnail. Drag and drop your website image to the Edit Surface section. Use Fill or Fit options below to fill entire space. If you have empty spaces, you can also apply a background color from this color picker. Hit Add to Page button and import the laptop mockup inside your canvas. Let's repeat same steps for the other laptop mockup. Place your image to Surface section, position it as you like, and import it to the canvas. So simple. Now it's your turn. Customize these new laptop mockups with your designs in your browser. All the links are in the description below.